Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Now we are going to make needle rows. In another words, we can say we are making the rows with the help of the needle. For that I am taking the ribbon which is having 60 centimeters length. Now give a heat touch up to the edges. Now take the needle which is having more than 3 centimeters length. I am taken 8.5 centimeters length needle. With the fingers hold the needle at the point 3 centimeters and insert the needle into the ribbon as shown here. Continue this insertion method as shown in the video until you reaches the end of the ribbon. I want to share a small tip for you. To make these rows, I will recommend thin layer fabric. Completion of insertion, turn the needle where eye part of the needle facing towards us and cut the ribbon crossly as shown in the video and give a heat touch up. Now insert the sharp edge of the ribbon into the eye of the needle as shown in the video. Now rotate the needle towards itself as shown here and gently pull down. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Now trim out the extra ribbon and give a heat touch up. Now adjust the petals by rotating as shown here. If you like our video, please like it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.